this session we discuss about Spring Boot starter web. This session we will discuss about Spring Boot starter web. We'll check what is there inside the Spring Boot starter web. See here, all the dependencies are there. Spring Web Socket, Spring Messaging, Spring Boot Starter Web, Spring Boot Starter inside the Spring Boot Starter Web. Again, Spring Boot Starter Web is there. What's there here? Here all jars are there. Then check Spring jars. All jars they configured here. All dependencies are there. CRG.hibernate. JSON dependencies are there. Logger is there. Spring Framework Cloud is there. Spring integration is there. Spring Auth is there. Spring sessions, Spring config, Spring security, Spring social Facebook, all integrations also they provided here. All dependencies they configured inside Spring Boot starter where here build plugins they configure. Here all the dependencies they configure. And now we will see what are all the remaining things. Here's what is Spring Boot starter. We will check. Inside the Spring Boot starter, Spring Boot auto configuration, they configured Spring Boot starter logging, Spring Core and counts logging they configured, and Spring messaging, ORM, Spring messaging, Spring JMS, Spring OXM, Spring test. Spring test is for we need to write it in test cases. It is Spring test is a JUnit framework like. By using this one, we can directly hit the URL some controllers and test. Spring transaction. They are added here. Spring Web MVC, Spring Web MVC portlet, Spring Web Socket, all those things they added in Spring Starter. Here, Spring messaging. We need to check what is WebSocket. Need to check what is WebSocket. Spring WebSocket, WebMSC portlet, all those things is there here also. These are the Spring inside Spring Boot Starter Web. These are all those things they configured internally. Because of these things, we don't need to add one by one automatically. We need a less concentration to implement our application. We will provide a less configuration. Those itself will provide all jars internally. Thank you. We will discuss next things in next class.